Yo, afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Mark Anthony. Today we're doing something different. Today we are going to replace the O2 sensor on my car. This should be interesting. I don't know what I'm doing. Got the O2 sensor right here. All right, this is the replacement. So let's break out the tool and see what we can do here. A little torque wrench. As you see, the hood's already popped. Got the hood already popped. Yeah, and the piece we're going to deal with is right here. Right there. That's what I'm dealing with. So what I'm trying to do is remove this piece. So I tell you, it's very interesting because you know me, I don't know shit about cars. So all this is interesting. Is it lefty loosey, righty tighty?
Almost threw my dang back out.
You got it loose, baby. You got it loose. Got that baby loose. Hell yeah. Woo! Let's go. Hot. Yeah.
A few moments later. Later. Eventually.
We did it. We got one part done. Yes. Look, all I need to do is get that little piece out right there, and we can be done. Yo, shit. Come on. So we found a screwdriver, and we just get in there, you see, and you pop that off. Boom, baby, boom. And now we just get the new piece and thread that baby in. Got the new piece all locked and loaded. Boom, take that bad boy off. Get you in there righty tighty. Yeah, you see what's going on here. Getting that baby in there, tight. Get a hand tight, it says. Whew. And then we plug this mother jammer in here. And I think we did that, baby. We did that. We did that. We did that. Let's see what's going on now. Let's hop back in the car and see how things turned out. All right, y'all, let's see what's going on. Let's see how this mother jammer run. Let's see what's going on. Did I fix my situation? We did it. Not only do I tell jokes, but I can fix cars now too. Look at God. For more steps on how to take forever to fix the smallest thing possible, tune in next time. I got you. We might do a light bulb next week.